What if I told you you could record studio quality voiceovers without leaving CapCut? No extra apps, no complicated setups, just one click and you are recording. Today I will show you the exact steps to record voiceover in CapCut 2025 on PC, fast, clean and completely free. Let's jump in. First, open up CapCut 2025 on your computer. Ensure that your timeline is ready. And as you can see, I've dragged the video which I want to do a voiceover on to my timeline. Once you have done this, go to the voiceover logo directly under the video player tab in CapCut 2025. It's the logo that looks like a mic. Once you are there, click on it and it will bring forth the voiceover tab. And on this voiceover tab, you can already see the waveform moving. Why? This is because in CapCut 2025, it's already made to detect the mic which you have plugged into your computer. And you will see this mic in the input device section. Also, there are some minor tweaks that can be made on the voiceover tab to ensure that your output is good. Go below. One of them is already ticked, which is echo reduction. It helps you avoid echoes when you're speaking into your mic. And the second one which you're going to tick will be mute projects, as this will help you mute the sound coming out from the videos that you have put on your timeline, so that it doesn't clash with the output of your voiceover when you're checking it out. We have enhanced voice, but this is for only pro users. But for free users, take the echo reduction and the mute project. Once you have done this, we need to start recording. But before we start recording, I want to give you a pro tip. Ensure that you test your mic to hear the output. Once you have done this and you're satisfied, then you can click record. And to record, we are going to go to the big red dot to start recording. Click it. There will be a countdown. Start recording. Oh, I love the beach with the green waters, beach tents, beach house, with people running around. Now once you are done with your recording, click on the big red dot again to stop it. Now if you like to continue recording or you want to record another one, click on the big red dot again. But if you are done and you want to go and check your output on the timeline, click close on the voiceover tab. Now, if you see that your voiceover is not synced with your audio, simply slide this down to the beginning of your video. Take your timeline back. Now, press play to hear Oh, I love the beach with the green waters, beach tents, beach house, with people running around. If after listening to your voiceover, you still want to make some minor tweaks, click on the voiceover and go to the far right tab on your CapCut 2025. You're going to see first basic. With this, you can increase the volume. You can put a fade in the beginning of your voiceover, and also you can put a fade out at the end of your voiceover. Also, if you don't like your voice or you're not confident with your voice, you can also tick on the voice changer. But note that most of the voices are for pro users and only one is available, which is Jesse. If you want to increase the speed of your voiceover, you can increase it. Or if you want to reduce it, take the slider back. But I'm going to leave it at 1.00x because I like it the way it is. If you have done all this and you're satisfied with what you want to do, go back to check your output. Oh, I love the beach with the green waters, beach tents, beach house. And if you like your output and you're okay with how it syncs with your video, go to export. Check your parameters to see that everything is okay, and then export. So that's how you record a voiceover in CapCut 2025 on PC. Fast, free, and no extra tools. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment. What are you going to create next? See you in the next one.